Coming up in this video, yes, you didn't read the title wrong. This is a COLA Espresso Martini. Welcome back, fam. How are we all doing? I'm really excited about this one. Haven't tried it yet. I posed and I had a little bit on my tash. I posed for a little photo, but I haven't tried it yet. Another Mr. Black, the world's best coffee liqueur. It says it right there on the label. Absolutely love this stuff. You're gonna get bored of me banging on about it. It's basically, if this is the first time you're seeing a Mr. Black video from me, it's basically an unsweetened coffee liqueur. I love Kahlua. I'm not bashing Kahlua, but it is sweetened. It makes it quite difficult to play about with other flavours because obviously most flavours are sweetened. So Mr. Black is just perfect for this. Today I've got a COLA Old Fashioned. I'm going to run you through the ingredients in a second. I've got to have a little taste. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's insane. That is insanely good. Oh my word. COLA. I can't get over that. I don't want to give the game away if what's in it, but oh my God, that is possibly my favourite so far. And I keep saying that every week, but that is so good. Let's cut to making a cocktail. Right, let's quickly talk you through the ingredients. As always, Mr. Black coffee liqueur. Now, for this, I have called it a COLA Old Fashioned, but the base is kind of going to be an Amaretto. Now, again, it's just a brand Toshi have sent me this to kind of play around with. Normally I've got, it's hidden behind there, Di Serrano. Your favourite Amaretto is going to be cool for this. I've got my other favourite people, William Fox, Cola syrup, and I've got some fresh espresso. So again, this one isn't really rocket science. I'm going to do what I always do. I say every time, I'm going to do equal measures for my espressos, my normal espresso. I kind of go for the base three, I kind of go normal, equal measures. So I'm going for 1 ounce, 30 ml of this Amaretto. One thing I will say, I don't think this is as sweet as the Di Serrano. It's really nice. It's really nice. Isn't kind of mainstream here in the UK as yet, but it's really good. Right, cola syrup. This really does. Oh, it just reminds me of those, you know, the little cola bottle sweets you get. Just reminds me of this. I am going, I've written down 15 ml, half an ounce. I'm actually going for 10 ml. I lied. So I'm going for a third of an ounce. And if I need to add a little bit more, I will. But I don't think I will. Because it's just like fizzy cola bottles. Love it. Mr. Black time, 30 ml. Of the world's best coffee liqueur, 30 ml, 1 ounce of Mr. B. Here we go. Lovely, jabbly. And then final ingredient is my expresso. You've got to really pronounce the expresso. I know. The joke's going to wear thin soon, isn't it? Oh, let's see how many haters we can get. Espresso, all right? Right. There we go. So icy. Dun, 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 dun. Right, that'll do for now. Good welly. Good welly for about 10, 12 seconds. Right. Let's just pop that over there. Now glass, I thought I'd be a bit different this time. I've got a lovely kind of, another new, well, it's technically a stemless wine glass, but I use them as rocks glasses, tumblers. I got them for spritzes. That's what I really wanted, for spritzes. Where's me have a little spoon? I've lost my spoon. Knife will do. I'm just going to quickly give that a little stir. There we go. There we go. That fits in the glass. Right. Spoon's in the washing up, innit? Right. No need to double strain this. I'm just going for a single strain. As we are over ice. Lovely. This is a 16 ounce glass, so there we go. It's a bit on the mahoosive side. Garnish, I haven't got any, but I was going to garnish this with little mini cola bottles. So we'll leave it there. Yeah. So popping up on screen right there will be even more Mr. Black. Some more of his friends popping up right there. And as always, if you like me, you know what to do. And if you don't want to miss any of my future videos, there's a little button down there. Subscribe to the channel.